Well, we're back here at Roost Vans again, just like the sign says, and we're going over a four-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter. Now, it's just regular 144 wheelbase, but it is a passenger van with the rooftop AC, which presents some challenges. We did a core build on this van, which includes our mounting system, vent fan, some upper paneling, lower paneling, no mid paneling in this build because of the fact that it's a passenger van with trimming already. And then we added in some cabinetry as well as the strap-up bed system for his family of 5. He's going to come back later for the flip-up kit bed system for the rear in a phase 2, but he wanted to have some opportunity for him to be able to sleep in the van for now whenever he's doing quick travels with his family. Now, that strap-up bed system is a great addition for a family, particularly if you're planning on getting our flip-up kit bed system on the lower or a dinette. Now, with the power station that we installed on a kind of temporary basis underneath the bench seat gives a great opportunity just for some simple power supply to run lights and even a small fridge. We also added a couple extra speakers. So check us out at roostvans.com for all your DIY or shop needs.